Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Thanksgiving video, I want to show you guys how to draw a simple, cute little turkey face. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this fun Thanksgiving video. Now, to start off with this, I'm actually going to begin with the beak. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come down like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then up. Right along the edge here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down. It's going to go out and slowly curve like this, kind of looks like a little hook. Then I'm going to bring it all the way back towards the top here for like the little gobble of our turkey. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to curve up and down. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line underneath it. So starting here, we're going to just draw a little line. It's going to curve up and then down. And then we're going to have just a little line underneath it. Now I'm going to add 2 little circles inside each one of these. And then I'm going to color this in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes right underneath here. And I'm going to have to jump over this. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. I'm going to jump over it, and then I'm going to curve up. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that goes up. And then I'm going to make another little line that goes up to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and then comes back down. A little taller one right here, and then another little small one right there. Then starting here on the mouth, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up for a little smiley face. And then I want to put some little feathers back here. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve out and then come back. I'm going to draw another one here. And then I'm just going to keep doing this all the way across here. So I'm just leaving a little bit of space in between each one. And I'm just going to draw all these feathers all the way along here. And then we'll just finish off with one more off to the side here. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little cute turkey face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.